To import Zopa online banking, start by logging into your personal finance management software or account aggregation platform. Ensure you have a Zopa account and the necessary login credentials. First, navigate to the Add Account or Link Account section, typically found in the Settings or Accounts tab. Look for Zopa in the list of supported banks and financial institutions. If you cannot find Zopa, you may need to search for it or check if your software supports it. Once you have located Zopa, click on it to initiate the linking process. You will be redirected to a page where you need to enter your Zopa login credentials. This is a secure process, and your credentials will not be stored by the third-party platform. Enter your Zopa username and password, and then confirm that you want to link your account. You may be asked to authorize the connection and grant permission for the platform to access your account data. After authorization, your Zopa account will be linked, and your account data will be imported into your personal finance management software. This may take a few minutes, depending on the amount of data and the speed of the connection. To verify that your account has been successfully linked, navigate to the Accounts or Transactions section. You should see your Zopa account listed, along with your current balance and recent transactions. It is essential to note that you may need to refresh or update your account data periodically to ensure it remains accurate and up to date. You can usually do this by clicking on the Refresh or Update button next to your Zopa account. By following these steps, you can successfully import your Zopa online banking data into your personal finance management software, allowing you to track your spending, create budgets, and manage your finances more effectively.